Hi, I'm Lisa from Sherries, and today I'm going to show you how to plant herbs and seedlings. So right here we have some basil seedlings and some lettuce seedlings, which we will be planting today. The first thing we will be using for planting is our clay balls. Basically, we need to put some in the bottom of our pot. Clay balls are important to use because they help in aeration of the soil and aid in the growth of the plant. It's important to make sure that you place at least 1 or 2 inches in the bottom of the planter. Next, we'll be working with the Chemo's organic substrate, which is good for growing any vegetables or fruit. We will be using 70 liters of this ecological substrate to fill up the whole planter. The white pieces you are seeing here are perlite, and they're good because they retain moisture. It's important to use when growing herbs and vegetables as they require a lot of water, especially in